Okay, I've got 2 identical mugs of water, and I'm going to pour this in here. I like that it's got the big open mouth. It's easy to pour in. Okay, it uses about 990 watts. It's about 2 minutes and 45 seconds to reach a rolling boil. And I don't notice any difference between the amount of water before it boiled and after it boiled. And it stays cool to the touch. There's a little bit of warmth right here where the water was. And I wrap the cord around once. Place it right there. I leave the lid off because it's easier since I use it a couple times a day. It's ready for action. And my microwave uses 1350 watts. The microwave took 4 minutes and 13 seconds.